stickable paper because the pan himself is non-stickable. My cake is ready. My apple cake is ready. Look at it. Still in the pan. I want it to get a bit cold then before I transfer it. Beautiful cake. Beautiful. Say a very big thank you to all my viewers, my supporters, my subscribers, my YT family. I say I love you all, guys. I love you lots. Thank you for your continuous effortless support in my channel or my channel. Thank you so much. Today I'm gonna share with you what I can do with 3 apples and 2 eggs to create a lovely delicious cake at home. So I got my apple here. You can use any apple. I got my vinegar apple cider. I got my vanilla. I got my baking powder. I got my vanilla excess. I got my oil. Yeah, I got my oil. Yeah, I got my yogurt. I'm gonna be including Greek yogurt into it. Yeah, then I got my flour, 100% British wheat. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of oatmeal flour as well into it. Okay, guys, so let me crack on. I'm gonna take my egg from here. I'm gonna break my 2 eggs. Yeah. So I'm gonna put in my demolore sugar. I don't normally use sugar, but this is a healthy sugar, demolore sugar, okay? And I'm not gonna put too much, just a little bit. That will go in there. Then I'll mix. I'm just lazy to use my hand machine. You know, I have a big cake mixer, but it's lazy to bring it out and to wash after finish. So this one, yeah, this is the time you hear me talk about salt. Then my vanilla excess will go in there. Okay, vanilla excess will go in. Then you mix thoroughly, mix properly. Okay, you mix it properly. Then I'll put in my oil. You can use any oil. I'm using healthy oil. It's 100% pure corn oil will go in there. Yeah, my oil will go in there. Then I will whisk. Then my yogurt will go in there. So now my yogurt will come in. I'm gonna put in my yogurt. My Greek style yogurt will go in there. This is a very nice yummy cake. Okay, guys, yogurt goes in there. 3 spoons of yogurt. I don't measure. That's one thing with me. I'm very bad. Just use my initiative. My vanilla. Then I mix my vinegar. Sorry, a little pinch of vinegar. We go in there. Then I mix. And you see it? I'm gonna sieve my flour. Okay. I'm gonna mix. This is all-purpose flour. My baking powder will go in there. Okay, baking powder go in there. Yeah. Flour that I've already then blend. I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna mix both. That is my rolled oat flour. Okay, guys. So I sieve everything all together in there. Tip in the dough, the mix cake something in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna grate my apple in there. Okay, the oven is on. I didn't peel all the skin off because that is where the vitamin is. So if you want to take off all the skin of the apple, it's up to you. You can do that. Okay, guys. That is the apple now. So I'm gonna just spread them on top. Yeah. So I'm gonna spray in some dry sultana, dry fruits, okay, or currants. It's called dry fruits or currant or sultana, whatever. Yeah, just put it on top like that. Go in the oven for 20 minutes. It doesn't take that long. When it start cooking, you check, your kitchen will start, you'll be hearing the smell, nice smell of the baking. That's one thing I love about baking. So it's gonna go in the oven. Okay, guys, my cake is ready. My apple cake is ready. Look at it, still in the pan. I want it to get a bit cold then before I transfer it to the cake stand. Look at that, beautiful cake. Beautiful cake. Out of the pan. The pan is non-stickable, so it's all right. Come on. It doesn't even really need this stickable paper because the pan itself is non-stickable. The back. So now I'm gonna go like that. Ooh, this is yummy-listic, lumilicious, it's delicious. Wow. You see what you can make out of the apple you got at home.